In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a booking system in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the forms section right here. And then option number 1 will be appointment booking. I want you to click on that, and then you'll be taken to the appointment booking widgets page. From here, I want you to click on this create widget for free button, which will then take you down to the booking system templates section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different booking system templates that you can choose from. And then on the right hand side, you get a live and fully interactive preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Squarespace website. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click on the mobile icon right here in the top right corner, you also get a mobile preview of the template. I also want to mention that none of these templates are final in terms of design or functionality. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen for all the different templates on the left hand side here. But yeah, I want you to browse through the templates for now and choose the one that best works for you. In my case, I'm going to go for this haircut booking system right here, and once you select the template you want to go with, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can start customizing your booking system to your liking. So to add this service, go ahead and click on add service right here on this button, and then all you have to do is name your service. So for example, we're just going to say fade, and then I'll just put some description. And then obviously you can add a picture if you want. I recommend you do that. It'll be this picture right here that you see. Then you can add the duration and the price of the service. So if you click on the price here, let's just suppose that you don't work in USD, you work in some other currency. You click on currency right here and just obviously just change it to whatever you want. I'll just select a random one and then click on done once you're ready and then done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it works. Bear in mind that if you have multiple services, this is how it's going to look like. So people need to go and click on book here before they get access to your availability. However, if I just go back to change and I just remove the service that I just added and I deleted, people will be able to see your availability straight away because you have a singular service. Then you can obviously change your widget title here, so book your appointment. Then on the left hand side here, you also see hours, profile, design, notification, integrations, and settings. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your booking system. So one of the most important ones that you want to pay attention to would be the hours one. So this is where you set the available hours of your business. As you can see, just click on this here and then you set the relevant times. Then you can obviously just turn this off if you're not available. Let's just say on Monday. Then you can set date specific hours. So for example, if you're going to be available from, let's say, 12 o'clock midday till 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a very specific date, then you can obviously go here and then just set it. Then click on done. In my case, that doesn't apply, so I'm going to delete it. And yeah, as you can see, there's loads of different customizations that you can take advantage of. I just go to profile here, you can show your business profile or you can just hide it. That's up to you. You can change the business name, the description, the logo, the cover. Then you can have your phone numbers here and contact information. Then in terms of design right here, the embed type is set to inline form. What that basically means that you get to position the form whatever you want. You can also go for an inline button or a floating button. So basically if you have the floating button at the bottom here, it will basically scroll with the user. So they just click on book now, you will see this table where they can book an appointment. In my particular case, I'm going to go for the inline form because I want this to be visible from the get-go. But yeah, I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. And once you're ready with customizing your booking system to your liking, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your booking system widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page here, which is where we need to publish it. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. Click on it and then your widget will be published. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating from Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. However, if you expect more than 200 people to preview your booking system in the course of a month, then you can go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And for example, if you want to have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, then obviously you can go for one of the premium plans as well. Bear in mind that if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can copy the code for your booking system widget. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to your Squarespace editor, if I just preload this website and then click on edit right here to get into the editor, then you want to go to the page where you want to add your booking system to. In my case, I want it on the home page right here, which is where I am, and I want it beneath this picture. So I'm going to click on add section right here, and then I want to add a blank section. Click on that, and then you'll see a blank section added below the image. In the top left corner of the new section, click on add block, and I want you to type in here code. Then I want you to click on option number 3. What that's going to do is add this code block to your Squarespace website. I want you to double click it, and then this window is going to open up. From here where it says mode, set that to HTML. It should be that by default, but just in case it isn't, you want to set it to HTML. Then remove this text and replace it with the code that we just copied from L side, and then close the window. Depending on your embed type, you want to resize this accordingly. So there you go, that's my resizing here. I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to go ahead and exit out of it so we can preview the booking system. And there you have it. Here is my booking system on my Squarespace website. It looks super nice and clean, and as you can see, it's fully interactive. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you, just in case you want to make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. As you can see, panel only visible or seen by widget owner. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a booking system in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.